Okay, so that's gonna be my second skit. I'm about to be recording very fam, and so there's another skit. I'll do more.
Right?
Hi, bro.
It's
What's
all crumpled
good?
up here. You just don't feel like having
What's
a wallet.
good is
You
your
think you're too
face?
bougie for a wallet. So you just got your cash. You want to give
Oh,
us
you
your
really
cash
did
here,
that.
but the
Yup, I did. You're not the first one that tried to push me and try to get away. So I'm about to be your ass. Yo, I'm about to finish
Flatter
it
though.
off once again.
Now you know, guys. If you have a hair straightener in your pocket or in your other
Boy,
one, you know what to
barely
do.
have.
It's still crumbled.
Bro, you look like
It's
you
not.
want
No. Fine, do it again then. Do it once, twice. You know how you feel when you get oppressed. You know what I mean?
That's funny, 'cause that's what you look like. You
Okay,
also
so
look
we're
like a broken
60%.
soda can. Yeah, I
Yeah,
literally
it
just
ain't
got
flat,
destroyed.
like when it first comes through.
Bro, I'll
But
finish you off in 1
it's better. Now
second.
you can
I better slap you out this universe.
Smirk.
Like I'm about to do right now. You know what? Let's both. 3, 1, go.
You need to go to bed. What are we gonna do? What's your chest? Whoa! Try and press it down because the chip bag is open and you can't close it.
Yeah.
Pretend you don't have any bag clips. You don't have bag clips, guys. But all you do have is some Huggies, like
Crap.
baby wipes. So you rip off the top.
Told you you would
All
break
have
your
is the
arm.
clip
Now it's
part
time to
and
finish
open
this. Once and for
the
all.
chip bag. Stick it on here.
Go. Take
No.
this.
Then open it up and get a knife.
Out. Oh, here.
Cut on it. No strips.
Ah.
No, never. None of it. It worked. It worked.
Ah.
And there you go, guys.
Dang it.
Oh, okay, it worked. And it doesn't even.
Final shot.
Guys, don't make it. Hey,
or
You're
even
the
better,
sixth.
that there is an app
Be
to do that.
gone.
An app that does not only solve your math problems, but also explains the solutions step by step. The Algomator. The Algomator solves your math problems, just like that. Algomator will
Yeah,
solve
that
it
was
right
just the
away.
first
With
skit.
over 80 types
Are
of
you ready for the
calculations,
second
the Algomator
skit?
has you covered when it comes
Like
to math.
like,
you can enter your problem by
if you
typing.
think you're ready.
You can also
but
scan
comment
your
if you're
problem.
not ready.
You can even write it down.
Are you guys ready?
The Algomator doesn't need an internet
Okay, let's
connection
go.
to
3, 2,
perform
1.
calculations. Anytime, any place. The solutions are optimized to be as easily
Man,
understandable as possible.
I already
And
keep
if things
pushing
get
me.
too complicated, the Algomator
Yeah,
can
man.
solve in more detail.
So I just want to have a good day. Want to have a good time, you know. But no, everybody keeps pushing me, keeps bullying me. I'll just go on my phone. Hey, you. Hey, you. What do you want now? I'm on the phone. I want to know if your dick's strong enough. Get away from me. Be evaporated. Be evaporated. That was the first guy I had to evaporate in a second. But better safe than sorry. Okay.
Thank you, Disney, for your.
Murph, you're Yo, why'd you have to say that all? Because you are all of that. Okay, get evaporated. Fighting each other's evaporates. For Bruno. No, that's the end. Oh. How is he this good? I'm ending this one and done. This is about to be the final skit. Now it should be destroyed. Time to do it one more time. Evaporate. What? Dodged it again. Not today. Nope, I switched it at the last second. Finals. Evaporating blast of a million suns. Fire! Yeah! I guess I lost. See you later.